Alright, so welcome back, lawn amateurs. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This is actually a 1 week update video I wanted to shoot to show you guys when I applied the Expert Garden Fast Green Lawn Fertilizer. As you can see, the sun is shining nice, real beautiful on the lawn today. Looks real good. It's a beautiful day out. It's about 70 degrees. But I wanted to show you guys this update. See what you guys think. Do you think this lawn actually the fertilizer actually made the lawn a deeper green? What do you guys think? I know we might have a little different results this time because when I actually applied the fertilizer, the lawn was actually actually the skies was gray skies. It was just finishing kind of like rainy. It was cloudy, so today we might have a little different outlook on the lawn, different results. But what do you guys think? Do you think the lawn is actually greener? Me personally, looking at it, it don't really look deeper green, but it looked more vibrant, like the colors popping a lot better. I know the fertilizer actually worked because I got a lot of growth. I'm actually about to mow the lawn today. The lawn is actually it's very thick. It's gotten real high in growth, so I know it's actually working. Now, as far as a deeper green, I may have to wait another few days or a week to see. I'm not sure. But what do you guys think? Let's get a different angle. So what do you guys think? And I also want to show you guys, this is a quick update also from when I did the bare spot repair. Now look at that. This is where the rock is at. And look at the growth we're actually getting out of there. We're getting excellent seed germination. Just take a look at that. I want to say maybe another week or so. Nah, maybe 2 weeks. I'll go ahead and say 2 weeks. I'll be able to actually get a first cut on this area because the soil temperatures is actually rising up. So the more the soil heats up, the more growth we're going to get out of the new seedlings. Let's go to this other side. I actually repaired this spot too. I didn't show it on camera, but I did the same method I did on that the rock area over here. And just look. I'm getting great seed germination. So I'll say maybe like 2 more weeks. I'll be able to get my first cut on this. You want to wait till it get the new grass get to about, I want to say maybe 3-4 inches before I even cut it. Maybe 4 inches. But just look. A lot of growth. Got a lot of growth. And the lawn is coming together real nice. You got to just think about it. I'm only maybe a year into it. This is a year, not even a year, not even a full year from when I actually planted the seeds down on this lawn. And I actually did it in the summertime. And this is the results. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a quick mow on the grass. I'm gonna use the Snapper SP90. mowing side number 2 here. What do you guys think? How does it look? I didn't do any edging this time. Once again, I'm probably gonna edge. Maybe in my next video I'll probably edge it. I just want them to grow in a little bit thicker. And they're actually doing pretty well now. But what do you guys think of the mow? Came out pretty well once again. But I was kind of curious here. Now this little spot, I pulled this bunch of grass out because I noticed that it didn't blend with the texture of my grass. So I'm suspecting maybe it's a weed, but I'm not too sure. I'm not an expert, so I just pulled it out. Maybe one of you guys can help me identify it. I'm thinking maybe it's crabgrass, and I got a couple areas in my lawn that the texture of the grass is a little different. I didn't treat my yard for like any weeds yet, so I'm suspecting maybe it is a crabgrass trying to like come in, but there's only a few little spots here. Maybe somebody can comment below. Maybe one of you guys are a little better at identifying this bunch of grass, this grass type or this weed type. My lawn is a tall fescue lawn, but this doesn't look like it. This doesn't look like fescue. I know it's bunched together like it, but it doesn't look like it. Maybe I'll send this picture. Maybe I'll take a picture of this and send it over to Lawn Care Nut or Pete from GCI Turf. Maybe they'll help me identify it, or maybe one of you guys can comment below and tell me what it is. I'm not sure, but appreciate you guys for tuning into the videos. I didn't do side number 1 yet, but you guys get the picture. So thanks for tuning in, and basically we're gonna do it again. Take care.